have collectors and collectors. I tried. What's up? We got something great for you this week. Monkey Paw Picks. I'm Lewis with Ken. Always a pleasure.
Hey.
That's right. We got Mezco for you. I love it when fags comes. You drop off that black tape Mezco. Cause then you know it's something just awesome. And this won't disappoint you guys. But since you're watching this, you already read the title, you know what it is. So the suspense I'm doing right now doesn't matter. But I like to do it because it makes me feel good. So, knife and box, we're about to crack it open. See what we got right here before I cut myself. Alright, here we will, if we get open, alright, boom. So, you don't need to see the receipt. We'll put that over there in the knife. Don't need to hurt nobody. But one of my favorite things with this one is that somebody give us yellow stickers. I think they look awesome. I like the yellow. That's pretty cool. Method, as always, little boom boom with the boombox and the grub. As always, a flyer. And then
Mezco Mondays.
Mezco Monday. I like how you said that. But yes, we have our football announcer right here. Sunday Night Football. I want to get sued, so I'm not going to say that. Alright, here we go. Let's pull this out. Ah! Somebody got shot. Alright. Yeah, I gotta show you guys the back of it so you couldn't see what it was. Did that on purpose to show you. Dun, dun, dun. Gomez of Death. Let's get a better picture of this real quick. Alright. I don't know when they started doing the tissue paper. I like it because it makes me feel like I'm elegant. So, Mezco.
You are like an elegant flower.
Yeah. Look at that. Gomez of Death. For those that don't know, Gomez of Death is like a tribute to Bruce Lee. Has the Enter the Dragon, the yellow outfit with the black stripe. A lot of people like to think it's a Kill Bill, but Kill Bill got the idea from Bruce Lee. He's the original. He's the OG. He's the supreme ninja. I love Bruce Lee. I like Brandon Lee, but this is where he got the idea. And those that don't know, this was such a rare figure that Mezco didn't even announce it when they put it up. It was just 1 minute, show up, next minute, gone, sold out. So, if you were lucky enough to get this thing, oh my God, I commend you, because that's awesome. So before we open this, we're going to open this. What is this, Ken?
I don't know.
I never read it. Do you want to open it for
Sure.
me and show them what we got? I know, but I want you guys to be like, oh my God, that's so cool. Boom. Extra heads for your Gomez of Death figure. because they couldn't give us enough as it is. So look at that, they gave us extra heads. That's awesome. I love it when Mezco gives us extra stuff. So awesome.
Whoa.
That's right, whoa.
Yeah.
If you didn't notice on this one, is that he has a black eye and blood dripping down.
It's a beat up, Gomez. So if you want to give him the idea of his fighting or getting beat up, there you go. We have the battle damage Gomez. So awesome. So awesome. By the way, in this game, there can be only one winner. The word says right there. Yeah, that's awesome. Alright.
Don't scratch the box.
Don't scratch the box.
Hey, they put tissue on paper on it.
That's true. So you will do it like this so we can make it come out easier. Boy. Boom. And boom. Here we go. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I guess I should show you. Or not. Yeah, I'll show you. Since this is what we're all here for. And boom. Here we go. It is a bit hard to see because of the tissue paper type stuff. So we'll get that out for you. But so much extra stuff. And the grub has the same outfit on. Can't go wrong with that. So if Ken wants to give you guys a closer look, I'll get the rest of this awesome stuff out with all this articulation on this figure. It's amazing. So that's a plastic they give us on the neck.
Look at this. Zipper. Functional.
Oh my God.
Undershirt. Look at that.
Look at that. So you can get the old Bruce Lee tank top going. So awesome.
Zip it back up, Gomez.
And
Look at those shoes.
oh, I love the chucks. I love the chucks. But it does have all the medical articulation, double joint elbows, double joint knees, has the hands, the awesome range of movement with the shoulders, everything. There's not a single pose you can't do with this figure. It's that cool that you can do so much. Ken's trying to make it safe, but that's not gonna happen. They just dropped the instructions. You don't care about that.
Bam.
But
made it happen.
I would like to show you this sticker, like the box, so you can put that somewhere cool. That's awesome. And then we got extra heads. Want to show them that?
So you got to beat up with the yellow eyes.
Be up, boom. There we go. Then we have the second yellow eye. So if you count like we do, there's 5 heads so far. But do we stop there? No, there's one more head that we're about to show you. What is that?
Oh, I like this.
Black skull. Straight up black skull. So you have a total of 6 heads. That's not 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, but 6. So awesome. Look at that. Look at that. That's a jet. I'm so impressed with the amount of stuff they give us. Like, oh my God. And I love the articulation of this figure. Like, it's so awesome. And then, I don't want to take all this out, but Ken, you want to show them the weapons? You have a whole.
You got throwing knives, ninja stars, size, sword with sheath. Oh, is that a full sheath?
Yeah. Other companies give us a half. That's it.
You got, I can't remember the name of these weapons, but they have the real chains on them. Real chains. And then you got your grappling hook with rope.
Yes. And then...
That's not all.
It doesn't stop there.
Act fast!
Boom. Here is all the good stuff. You have the grub with the same outfit. You have the skin, the hands, everything you need to complete any different type of look.
You got a heart.
He does it. Yeah, he has a heart that he could hold.
You got the Vega claws.
Oh, very good.
The yellow boombox.
The yellow boom boom. Like, this figure has everything. We have figure, we have accessories, we have skins, we have heads, we have the yellow chucks, the outfit, the undershirt. This figure is, I'm gonna give it a 10. I mean, I can't.
I'm going to give it a 10.
Yeah, I can't lie. It's well done. It's packed with so many accessories. It was a $90 price point, but for $90 with 6 heads, tons of weapons, like, oh my god. It's worth it. So worth it. And as a Bruce Lee fan, so awesome. Mezco, you outdid yourself. So great. So awesome. Like, oh my god. It's just 10. 10. 10. We're both 10.
And hopefully in a month we should have our fall con box coming.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
I'm kind of shocked that this shipped before the Agent Gomez 112.
I'm excited for that Agent Gomez.
But I'm a fan of Mezco. I love Mezco figures. If you follow my Instagram, I post them all the time because they are just amazing figures. So, what would you rate this figure? I would love to hear from you. Well, out of 10, what do you want to do it? So, like, comment, subscribe, share our video. There's tons of information below. I put links for all you guys. So, until next time, collectors, and collect the female collectors. Happy hunting.